Whirlpool dryer, and somebody did a fine Picasso on this thing. Look at that. It's not coming on. Let's get it. It's already hot. 97 degrees heat index. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Instead, dull switch is good. Let's check the fuse. Crispy. Crispy. Check the fuse. Remember to like and subscribe. Alright, let's see if we got continuity. Nope, it is open, so it's bad. You always want to test the element to the ground, and it is grounded. That's where we're getting problems. Somebody has replaced this upper limit. We gonna have to rebuild this thing. You can see where the element bent, flexed out, and touched right there. And that's all it needs to blow everything. So, we rebuild it. I don't know. You can kind of see it right there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's hot. Tight. Loose connection. Factory. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or I'll cut ya. Wire nut this baby on. Wire nut's not my favorite, but it does work in this situation. Taper it out a little bit. Thermal. Like I said, we rebuild. I'm getting shocked. Dangerous. That's how you change an element, a thermostat, a fuse, and a high limit. Thanks for watching.